welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to the market. It's a local market beside our school. I want to buy some vegetables, fruits and meat. So you can follow me.
This is the entrance of the market, and I forgot to show, but before we enter we have to scan our health code to show that we tested negative from the COVID. So inside you can find so many things. We have chicken, beef, pork, maize flour, like there is everything you need here. You just have to select what you need, whether onions, tomatoes, garlic, or any other thing, eggs, everything, and they are going to weigh it, and when they weigh it, they give you the price. So they have to weigh before you pay.
Fils comment? Chinois. Fils c'est quoi en chinois?
Arza. Arza.
New York, Heidelberg. Pasta, sweet.
And in China, most of the times we don't pay with cash. We just use WeChat or Alipay. See, so you just have to scan the code, the WeChat code or the Alipay code, and you just pay. That's how we do.
Ça c'est quoi? Farine de maïs.
Farine de maïs.
Tu veux faire quoi?
Le foufou.
Hả?
你好，多少？这个一个多少？
哪个？这个，这一条给你25块钱。
太贵了，便宜点吧。
一斤肉25、26，斤到26。
这个包了多少？你好，这个猪肉，le bœuf c'est du veau, non? Non, non, ça c'est pas du euro, c'est Euro. Euro 多少钱一斤？53斤，53一斤
啊
，53
，37，
37 ，OK， 我要37。
买多少？都是31斤的。
多少？37这个
都是一样的，
一样。
我啥了？这个比较。
我要37，
要多少？37块钱的。
对。为什么？是这个吗？这个好吃。
Teman-teman di SPC Market
Apa?
belajar pakai kondi.
Soalnya bukan. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace.